Yes,
let's take a second to discuss your terrible choice of words.
Sorry, folks.
No.
Western Union.
No, hold up. What do you want, Jesus or something? We're on a train.
Sorry about the delay, folks. So just a minute.
I heard a Wookiee.
Yeah, well, came from over here. Find the Wookiee.
Okay, tell you what. Why don't you go look for the Wookiee and I'll go over here.
There was no sound from over there, thank God.
Well, you know.
Why are you going over there?
I got stuff to do.
What stuff do you have to do?
In the outhouse.
That's so gross.
The outhouse rocket don't come knocking.
Hey guys, come on! Take care of that before you come out here next time.
Well, I'm sorry. Train ride made me nervous.
Disgusting. Gross. I'm not paying you $25 a year to go to the bathroom on the job.
What am I going to do with my $25 a year?
Okay. Just go on.
What?
Alright,
toilet paper.
I don't understand.
What are you asking? What are you asking me?
I need you to help me keep an eye out for anything suspicious looking like renegade Indians, bandits, rabid bears, people with red masks on that look like they might try to, beat me up or take my money. So just give me a shout out if you see anything suspicious. Go ahead and let me have it. Look out! Look out! Behind me? Yeah. Okay, I'll look. Okay, there's literally nothing out here. I'm going to look. Oh, come on! That's not nice. I'm not even. Whoa! There's not even anybody there. Help! I'm gonna be bad. That's my ear! My good ear! Ow! Why didn't you tell me there was someone behind me? Yes, we did. Hey! Where'd you go? Come here!
No, don't do that! Help! Stop that! That's what I need to do.
But you can't.
Help, stop that!
But you can't.
Stop, no! You're up!
Stay out!
What's that? You're back.
What?
Whoa!
Let's go, pretty boy.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, I'm going.
Come on.
I'm a lady.
Come on.
You want towels?
Well. Let's see what I got here. My very own gift.
What is wrong with you, sir? That's wildly inappropriate behavior. Someone could get hurt.
What's the idea? You see, I'm robbing this here train.
Robbing the train.
I'm going to rob this train.
You're robbing the train. You need us.
No, get off the Hey! Put that gun down! I got the drop on you!
Look behind!
I can do this myself.
Where'd you come from?
I came from that ground.
What are you doing?
When you're both, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright, okay. Ah! I'm sorry, I got the drop on you!
Come on, you say that!
Yeah, I never even saw you coming!
Now I have two guns!
Will you stop this? Hey, you, get back over here right now. Tobacco!
Okay,
Which other gun?
Which one?
Both of them. Both of them!
Barrett and Sonoma can fight now.
There! Oh, we're ready.
yeah, I hate to do this, but who are you two?
Well, I'm glad you asked. If you see, my name is Texas Pete. Texas Pete! And this here is my slightly less intelligent, extremely less attractive twin brother, Tabasco.
Tabasco!
Wait, what?
And together we are the
La 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 la!
Layman Hot Sauce Bandits. Too bad there, Deputy, because you see, trouble is what you got.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah! Oh, yeah? Yes? Well, all right, then. Oh. Let's go, Rick.
This is my money maker!
Get over here, Deputy. Come here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Here. Ow! Ow! Put him down. You get over here. Now, Deputy, I know that there's that payroll shipment for the Indians on train. So why don't you go ahead and mosey on over there, come back here with that payroll shipment, put it right down right here and get that stuff.
Okay, let me just give an extra thing I do after this. No.
What do you know?
You're not giving me the right hand for the Indians.
Why not?
Because then the Indians will come down here and kill everyone.
Oh, that doesn't matter, because we're going to be long gone by then. Yeah! Look that way. What? Is that Weasle? No.
Hey, Weasle! Hurry! Go!
We're going to be long gone by then. I don't care what you do, so go get that gold.
Hey, guys! Get over here! Sorry, not. Mr. Yohanan, please. Hey! Mr. Anger Management Plaza! I'm not getting gold for you! Mr. Silly, somebody's nut.
Oh, yeah? They finally started. What's stupid?
You have a stupid shirt, sir!
What is the big shirt I am? It looks good on me.
Hey, material.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah? Probably. All right, then. Well, let's go, Governor. We're going to be rich tobacco.
I know it! I cannot wait till saying habanero about this one!
Well, what are you going to do with your share?
Well, I'm going to buy myself a jetpack! Jetpack!
There's no such thing as a jetpack. Get over here, tobacco.
I can point up!
There's no such thing as a jetpack.
Well, maybe with that attitude there's not.
I'm going to keep your share.
Now you don't get any jetpack rights.
I'm going to keep your share and put it in a savings account for you, all right? It's just self. I don't care.
It rains.
Ow! Ow!
Hey, Sanderson, put it in. You signed your hat.
I don't care. Open this box right now. Why is there only one baggage on the box?
Well, actually, that's incorrect. There's actually nothing in the bag.
Why is there an empty baggage on the box?
What's that way a bag of gold just an empty bag?
Ignore him. What? What? I didn't say anything. Why? Outside. Why?
Oh, we're on a layaway. We're on a layaway plan.
On a layaway plan?
On a layaway plan.
Hey, everybody on the train, don't kill the bad guys. We took the rest of the gold to Fort Bandits 3 days ago. Thank you, Snake Eye. Now, who's home? Tabasco. Yes. Put that back in the box. You, take care of the train.
Okay.
You, put this box back on the train.
Okay.
I'm going to go take a nap.
Hello, everybody. I'll be taking care of you. Can I get anybody started with a soda?
Hey, Weasle! Tabasco! There's a quarter down there.
Quarter?
Yeah, right there. Rob him!
Oh, something hit me. I need to start the point now.
Okay, turn around. There you go. Now go rob them!
That didn't help at all. Help.
You need help with that?
I don't need it. I work out all the time. What's going on? Anybody has an ice pack?